Hi, and welcome back to Reflections of You, where you create something to spread joy for others. Today, I will be looking at the Tim Holtz Ideology Metallic Jewel paper. It's a craft stock, and I plan to use it on a couple projects that are upcoming. I really wanted to see how I like these papers. I'm hoping to use them making cards for Father's Day. So I'll say it's packaged well so that the paper doesn't get wrinkled during the transport process on all the sides, which is nice because I hate getting a paper pad and then the paper's messed up. And it always seems to be the piece that you want to use. So it has 5 of each color, as you can see here from the back. And so we'll look at each color. All right, let's see. Ooh, that is shiny. So I do like the red, and I had wanted to do some red pickup trucks. So I think this is really going to rock it. So we have 5 reds. Oh, and on the back, it is very sturdy. It almost looks wood grained on the back. That's pretty cool. This is orange. Let's see what else we have. Oh, I love the green. Wouldn't that be good for Christmas? Even Christmas trees on cards. Ooh. I'm seeing other possibilities with this paper pack. I like the blue. That makes a good card. Car for a card. Ooh, this is pretty. Now, doesn't that look like a pool? You could use that on a card for a pool with reflective water. I like that. And then the last color's purple. Oh, no, it's not. We have one more color. I like the purple. I have to think about what to use it for. If you have an idea of what to use the purple for, leave that in the comments below. And then we have black. And this will really make some nice accents for cars on our cards. All right, well, that's a quick, brief tour of the Tim Holtz Ideology Metallic Jewels paper. Thanks for stopping by. If you like this, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.